Are you a student or business professional who don't like to spend a lot of time in creating presentation? If so, then today I'll show you a AI tool where you can just enter the topic and AI tool generate the entire presentation for you. Then you can customize different things and just export the presentation in different formats. The tool name is called gamma.ai and I'll show you how you can use this tool. Let's get started. First, go to Gamma's website. Click on sign up for free in the center and log in using your Google account. Once you are in, you will see dashboard with three options: create new one, new from blank, and import. Since we want to create new presentation, we will click on create new one. Now, then we ask what you want to create. Option include web page, documents, and social content. But since we need a presentation, click on presentation. After that, select the number of slides, choose a presentation style, select the language, and enter your topic. The AI will generate slide content based on your topic, and you can add it or change it as needed. You can also add or delete slides. Once the content is set, you can customize the look. Choose a theme, select how much text per slide you want, like brief, medium, or detailed. Pick an image source, define an image style guide if needed, and select an image model for AI generated visuals. Click generate and AI will create the slide with proper content. If you want to make changes, just click on images or text. There are multiple editing options including fit image, change focus point, remove background, edit image, and more. On the right side, additional elements like card templates, smart layouts, basic blocks, image, videos, and medias are available. When you are ready to export, click share and then export. You can export in format like PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNG. Choose your preferred format and download your presentation. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.